With today's mobile lifestyle, it's more important than ever that everyone stay connected. To do so means keeping your devices charged. Forget conventional chargers taking up your entire outlet. Now charging your tablets, smartphones, gaming devices, e-readers, GPS and more is faster and easier than ever. With Leviton's new USB charger, tamper-resistant receptacle, you can plug your power cords directly into the USB ports, creating a clean and neat appearance. With a combined power of 2.1 amps, you can charge 2 USB-powered devices and still leave your tamper-resistant receptacle available for your additional power needs. The dedicated high-power port is ideal for charging tablets and other high-power devices. The USB charger, tamper-resistant receptacle, features a smart chip. This chip recognizes the charging requirements of the connected device and then optimizes the output for faster and smarter charging. The USB ports on the receptacle are strategically placed vertically. This offers plenty of room for your hands to maneuver the plugs and reduces the stress on the charging cables. The Leviton USB charger, tamper-resistant receptacle, is UL listed and fits perfectly in a standard wall box. It also uses standard Leviton wall plates. This way you're sure that it complements the other devices in your home. It's also compatible with our other Leviton accessories, including our mobile device station. So for a convenient and quick way to charge your iPad, iPhone, Galaxy tablet, BlackBerry, or any other of your electronic devices, the Leviton USB charger tamper-resistant receptacle delivers.